Greetings, my dear fellas. Let's get started. Today we have a nice strategy for you. I have a nice strategy for you on pocket options, binary options. Let's proceed. At the end, giveaways as usual. And don't forget about sharing. Share this video with your friends so you're gonna be together millionaires. Let's get started. So we at the broker, we have $40 on our balance, as you can see, and this is from this amount. We will accelerate our deposit. We will open 1 minute time frame positions as usual, and all currency pairs with the most I choose all the currency pairs. Alright, I analyze them with the most optimal payout percentage and volatility of movement. Today we have an interesting trend strategy using an oscillator. We have a super trend in our analysis today, zigzag and an MACD. We leave the super trend and zigzag with the default settings, just change the MACD settings. We set the period to 5, 7 and 10. This strategy will easily allow you to control the trend, and in general, as a trade, you will understand how to work with it correctly. So one delayed time. Let's get started, let's begin. Alright, long position in the direction of the trend. The first trade will be opened for long. As I said, the upward dynamics currently prevails on this currency pair. Now let's highlight the workspace for you. Alright. We see that after rollback of this dynamics, our local minimum along the zigzag is not updated. Accordingly, we will expect further upward dynamics. The super trend position shows the opening of a bullish trade. We saw that descending volumes were shown on the MACD histogram. Accordingly, we will wait for the intersection of the moving averages at this point. And that's why we are opening a trade for a long here. Let's watch the results. We have 10 seconds. Alright, and the first position is in the profits. That's great. It was quite simple here, you know. Slightly volatile upward dynamics. It's better to always open with the trend after rollback. The first deal is in profit. Great. Let's pick up the next currency pair. Alright, we came back to the same currency pair, so I didn't find a particularly correct entry according to my strategy, so we'll open a deal here as well for long using the same entry logic. That is, we had a price rollback again, only in the form of a very good impulsive downward candle. Previously we had a long rollback. Here the rollback was sharp. In general, the principle of the transaction is the same. I want to explain it. We have an intersection of the moving averages on MACD, so let's just wait again. And we are in the profits, guys. Second position. Let's try to find another entry into the deal, right? We won't stay on this currency pair any longer. We need to look at some other entry for clarity so that you understand the principle of the operation. And let's select it. Alright, short position goes in. We are guided here by the super trend and by the price rollback. We will highlight the workspace, of course. In general, we basically always need to be guided here by the super trend. We see it shows us a position for opening a short position. It tells us that the price dynamics will continue its downward character. Accordingly, after this price pullback, we open a downward trade in continuation of the trend. So let's watch the results, guys. Let's wait. And our next position is on profits, guys, without any problems. Let's change the amount of the value and continue our trading. Let's try to open a long position using the same entry principle. Let's do this, right? All right. Here we have exactly the same entry principle here, guys. Select the workspace, make an opening along the trend, right? The super trend position tells us that the dynamics of the price will still have an upward trend. Respectively, after updating the local maximum point and after the price rollback, we open again in the continuation of the trend. So let's look at the results. The volatility of the movement is not as strong as previous transactions, but in general the entry logic is absolutely the same. And another position is in profits. That's great. Was pretty easy without any problem. So let's continue. Let's open one trade of the same nature for a short and one trade to consolidate the results of the same nature but for a long. Then we will consider some other entry transactions. Let's get started. All right, long position, absolutely the same, guys, entry principle as we had on this currency pair. We are also opening here, especially since we have a very good clear signal here. The position of the super trend shows us the opening of the trade for a long, then updating the local maximum after a price rollback, updating the local minimum respectively, opening along the trend after a given price rollback. So let's watch the results. Alright, we're in a profit, guys. Another position is in profit. Let's update the chain amount. And same entry logic, guys. I repeat again. Try always look for an update of the local minimum along the zigzag in such situations to clarify your signal and to catch this price pullback. So let's continue. Let's try to open the short position. Okay. Let's open here a long position. Here we are opening along the trend. We are seeing a very good signal here, and the touch level and the level of opening the transaction generally do not really decide here. We see that with upward dynamics the local maximum is updated, then the price rolls back, the local minimum is updated, so we will wait for the local maximum to be updated again along the zigzag, right? The position of the super trend shows we open a bullish trade in our MACD. We see gradual reversal of the moving lines. Alright, we're in the profits. That's great, guys. According to the trend, open a deal. Oh, what a strong pullback there has been now. Okay, no big deal. I want to say that according to the trend, it's always easy to open a deal here. Always look for something like this, you know, just remember it, take a photo, and let's go. The nature of the indicators, you know, that is if this is an upward trend, the local minimum is updated along the zigzag, open the trade for a long. In general, there's nothing complicated here. Let's change the trade amount and open trades worth $789, and let's get started. Select the next currency pair. Here we will open two long positions. Here we have the same entry principle, only in addition we show the intersection of MACD. This is also a very confident sign. In these areas we see intersections from bottom to top. Earlier we saw a good volume shown descending on the oscillator histogram. Then with superior dynamics we see a very strong price pullback. Right, the formation of a new local minimum. Further, the price dynamics should go up after. There are also not so much time left. Let's just wait. And we're in the profits. That's nice, guys. To consolidate the results, let's open two more transactions in the amount of 1,000. So the profit gonna be sweet, and one probably 900. So let's get started for final positions. Bam. And bam. Let's try our luck. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. What do you think? Of course, there's no luck, and we will open our final trade again on this currency pair. After the formation of the local minimum, our price did not go up. Right? Our price did not break through this resistance area, and the price went into a rollback again. So we take advantage of this rollback and reopen trades in the direction of the trend. So let's watch the result of our final transactions. Nice. All of our final positions is in profits. Yes, we had a rather protracted pullback, but in general, I see the price minimum updating again. And I think that our dynamics will also continue go up. But on this result, I want to take profit with me, right? Let's make a withdrawal. I'm fine with it. Nice result. Let's select a wallet. Alright, continue button, and operation is successfully completed, guys. I wish you like this strategy. This is quite easy. You saw all the moments, all the principles, how to get into the position, long or short, whatever, in any. So don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Text me, don't forget about a giveaway. Share this video with your friends. Have a good market. Bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.